And there you go. That's a quick little one side, just giving you a chance to see. You wonder why I soaped it twice. It was so bad, it's been so long that the mold and mildew and algae was really thick. So what I did the first time is I killed the top layer, and then I rinsed that off, and I could still see what little bit of black, and I don't want that black. So I hit it again. That killed that. I had to take it off in layers, but you know what? The most important thing is it's done, and it's going to take a lot longer to come back than if I didn't do that a second time. It's worth the extra few minutes to do it right. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.